Hi kids, today we learn alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for bananas. C. C for carrots. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. F. F for fox. G. G for ginger. H. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jackal. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for ostrich. P. P for pear. Q. Q for quail. R. R for radish. S. S for strawberries. T. T for tortoise. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vulture. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zoo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.